So we are looking at the Gen AI tools that exist in the market today. Right now, the five most common Gen AI tools are ChatGPT, Deepseek, Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilot. Each one have their own advantages and disadvantages, and we are going to discuss that. And to make the best use of all, we have to use different Gen AI tools for different work. So when we talk about the tools for legal documentation and framework, which means that doing the heavy lifting, DeepSeek is our best option. So big code generation, big file uploads, big file parsing, and having a longer context or a longer memory. When we consider all of that, DeepSeek comes out to be a clear winner. But when it comes to accuracy, especially in fixing the code or just doing a conversation, when it comes to getting frequently updates, when it gets to more of the US styled language conversation, DeepSeek gives a good job. But when it comes to hallucination, all tools hallucinate a lot, and I think ChatGPT hallucinate a lot as well. So in terms of hallucination, when we talk about code generation, DeepSeek is not the best idea. But when we talk about code debugging, DeepSeek is still better than, ChatGPT is still better for code fine tuning, because when there is a code error and when the code is generated by DeepSeek and you ask DeepSeek to fix it, generally they are not very good at fine tuning or changing the code. You have to go to a complete new tool. This is what we call in generative AI something called a mixture of experts. Because when one thing is trained and one tool or engine generates something, it's not able to find out the drawbacks. It's like whenever you do something, you need another expert to look at it independently. So we are going to look at this concept, which is called a mixture of experts in Gen AI. More technical word, but I'm just using it loosely here. So when we talk about, like for example, if I want to talk about the New Jersey system, and if I want to paste something about the New Jersey small claim, ChatGPT does the best job, because ChatGPT, and you have to remember that no matter how much these companies claim that this is AI, it's still fine tuned by human feedback. And the best human feedback on this tool is based on the funding. And the best funding for all these tools have been on ChatGPT, and was also the earliest starter. So when it comes to asking about specific questions like copy pasting something from the website and asking how to upload it, very specifically to New Jersey, very specifically to New Jersey judicial online platform, then ChatGPT has the best idea. So for specific things like what we talk about human feedback, human fine tuning, ChatGPT is the best. But when we talk about handling big files, DeepSeek is the best. Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilots are just catching up. We would use them for second opinion for everything. So our main tools would be ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's quickly review what we just talked in this lecture. We said ChatGPT is best for brainstorming arguments, yes. Refining language, yes. Fixing code error, yes. Is it good for the initial drafting? No. It has the best US based language models, but it's not very good in generating LaTeX code because it has inherent memory limitations, especially I'm talking about the free version. So, but which tool has the best legal knowledge? Still ChatGPT. But which tool can give me the best, most detailed long file if I want to upload big PDF, multiple PDFs, and juggle around with them? The bigger context window, it's DeepSeek. So my initial draft would be DeepSeek, and then it's going to be fine-tuned by ChatGPT. Perplexity also does the good job. I would say it is neither that good in generation and neither that good in tuning. So it's like a little bit good in both of the stuff. Uh, then we have, but a lot of lawyers, when you go and do look at the videos of lawyers, they like Perplexity. So keep in mind. Gemini is still doing catch up today. Its integration with Google tools is good, but it's too cautious, too diplomatic. So I never found Gemini giving me a very good idea. Copilot was developed mostly for handling code errors and more they focused more on the integration with the coding and like completing a code and integration with other Microsoft tools. So their focus, their energy, their money was neither on fine tuning nor on keeping a bigger window. So in this regard, Copilot is also not helpful. So in summary, we would be using Deepseek to generate our main code and ChatGPT to fixes. This is as of May, June 2025. Things might change in the future.